Hey, it's another day. I've been kind of under the weather for the past couple weeks, so I haven't done anything, no videos or anything. But then we'll do a couple things. I'm actually gonna put a doorknob on. I'll see how. I'm gonna get a doorknob. It's a Cambridge lock set. I might get this installed onto this door here. The last door I installed. I just wanted to be able to shut that door. Keep the dogs in there so they don't come in here. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, I closed my camera shut off, so I don't know if we missed all the steps. Probably. I can do all this by hand. Is that missing? I have not even. Oh boy. By hand, use a drill gun, use a power tool. For this is fine, but not for the actual thing, for the door. Obviously, when I get rid of the stain, the door, I'll have to just take this off. But for the meantime, up. Looks good. All the way in. Alright. Okay. When I shut the door, there was a little wobble in the door. It wasn't seated to the door stop all the way. So I cut back about 1/8 of an inch. Back here, and I was able to pull it forward, so she will again, I take drill bit so you don't split. Just a safety precaution that I take. Let's see if the door shuts. If you don't drill this, typically you'll get a split in your jam right here. let's see how she. All right, let's check her out. All right, I like it. A little wobble. I didn't want to go too far in. I could go a little bit further, but that'll be good for now. And that's it. With that, so I'm doing now. Okay. Let's see. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just trying to clear out some of this wood in this garage. I know we still got to get the rest of our stuff from the other house down here, and this pile, I got to get through this whole pile of scraps and find a new spot. I think I found a spot behind this table back there. I could stack them back there for the most part. So, I want to be able to get this bench tucked in further. I'm glad it's a big garage, but this piece of plywood, it's actually OSB. What is it, 16 inches, I believe? Should be 16, yeah, 16. And this is gonna go, I need a nailer. It's for up here. I got the beam, I'm not drywalling this. This will all be wood. So, yeah, everything up here will be wood. Wood ceiling, drywall, the walls. I have some pieces of drywall I'm gonna try to burn up and get up also. Let's see, what is this? This should be 16. Just a shy over 16 and a quarter. So that's fine. That works out just fine. So I'm gonna get that piece up, and yeah, let's see what I got. Okay. Just had to cut out a corner. So it's 91 3/4. 91 3/4. And we just take off 3 inches. So take off this corner piece. Gotta cut this a little bit. I just cut it with my handsaw. Alright, see if that bad boy fits. I'm going to get a couple screws started. And 16 and a second. Whatever. It's easier to get them started. Just push the lid up. And should be easier. Let's see. A couple more. We're set. Alright. Grab that. Looks great. Got more over here. Sweet. Works. This will give me a nailer. Ah, hey, drop. Yeah, that'll be that. Sweet. I just kind of cut a piece from here. Gonna cut that little piece, and we get it. Let's see, we got 13 by, what if I could go past to be 19. 13 by 19. Let me get a little piece, see if I can slide it up above there. There's that cut off. Yeah. I left the room. I was supposed to. Okay. 13 by 19. Okay, I said 13 by 19. Already got it measured out. I was debating if I was going to use a hand saw to do it, or just pull out the skill saw real quick. And I think I'm going to pull out the skill saw real quick. It's not forever long, but the skill saw would be definitely faster. Hands down, the skill saw would be way faster. So, cheap saw. Just gonna have to take it out of the case, the good one. It's a cheap saw, but I got a good blade in there. Blade is what does make a difference. This will be faster. I agree. This is the way to go. Being cautious with that. It's kind of tender still. Moment of truth. Let's see if she fits. She goes over that. Pretty good. I'm happy with that. All right. I got a nail under surface all the way across for that. Okay. Alright, that's that. Let's go back in the garage. Alright, let me get all this stuff put away. Yeah, I want to figure this out. I'd like to get this all put away. Pull up my extension cord real quick. All away. Until not sure what else. Not sure what else I'm really doing here. I really would love to go through that old pile and just start cutting stuff up. I don't know if I got that kind of time. Yeah, so yeah, let me figure this out real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna cut all everything up. I'll save this piece of wood. Like what to get rid of, what to keep. These pieces, they got cracks. I thought I was gonna keep them. I changed my mind. I'm saving certain pieces. I just don't know what to save, what to throw out. You know, it's just I have a hard time throwing away scraps just with the cost of lumber and everything. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna use that. Let me see what I figure out. I'm just gonna get these cut real quick, get rid of them. There's no point hanging on to them. None. Fireplace, so like I could my fireplaces were used to be wood and they got converted to gas. I do plan on converting one of them back to wood. So everything else is drywall. It's 1/4 inch drywall. I have nowhere that I can use it. Like literally nowhere. I guess I can store stuff over there. I'm just trying to tidy up this space. More room. Need more room. I think that's it of the saw. I think. Now I'll be pulling it out again. Well, I made that room. What I gotta do is sweep up the garage. It's better. I'll get her. Get all this out of here before the wife gets home. And, yeah. Oh. Feel much better now. Garage's all cleaned up. I got rid of more stuff. Let me show you. What I did, I had a whole bunch of random scraps back here. I did put some back there that'll be way in the future. I still got this cement board. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it for anything, but for now, I'll hang on to it. And yeah, and these are more shelves I had built right here. It was like 2 days ago I did that. So slowly but surely I'm getting there. And I got a new valve, new ball valve. New one of these. I need this. It's leaking up there. I got a mud pan, a rag where it's just dripping in it for now. But oh my god, what a something else. I'm gonna get my truck back in, and I only have a couple pieces of drywall. I got these pieces here, and I should be able to use those in here. I should be able to get this part, the door, and this all done with all that. It's not wide enough to do that side. So I believe I need 1, 2, 3, I think 4 sheets, because the cutoff of this wall will go there, and 4, maybe 5. But yeah, I got to get it clean out and still cap up the hot and cold. There used to be an old slop sink here. Build this out, make a bench, and yeah, and that's it for now. Getting there, taking it slow, but yeah, till next time, we'll see what I decide to tackle next. So everyone have a happy 4th of July, and yeah, be safe. God bless.